plates, mugs, glassware, things that we use every day to eat our food, consume our drinks, that type of thing. We all have them, and sometimes we just need to clean out the places that we store them. So that's what I'm doing in today's video, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Tuesday, so that means that it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. As always, Tiny Tidy Tuesdays are hosted and put together by Sunday Dawn of The Helpful Home, and I am going to link her channel in my description box below, along with the playlist of all the other Tiny Tidy Tuesday participants. And I get so much motivation every Tuesday by watching everyone do their Tiny Tidies, and I encourage you to do the same. I know they would love your support. Tell each of them that I sent you, and I'm sure that they would greatly appreciate that and love that. So today I am cleaning out a few cabinets, and in these cabinets I store my glasses, my dishes, fine china, mugs, that kind of thing. When I was cleaning out these cabinets, I actually dropped and shattered one of my wedding glasses, and I was absolutely devastated because I have managed to protect these glasses forever, and this was the first one that I have broken, and it just kind of hurt my feelings a little bit that I broke it, but in the end it's okay because, to be honest, I had never used that glass before in my life. It's so ironic, nice, expensive stuff, and then we're too afraid to use it because it will break, and then I ended up just cleaning out a cabinet and having it just shatter. So that just goes to show that if you have fine pieces, fine china, some nice glasses, use them every day instead of trying to protect them and baby them like I do. So let's get busy cleaning out these cabinets. So this is the first cabinet that I started with. This is the only one that I showed a before of, but if you can tell, there's not really a lot going on in my cabinet. I just need to take everything out and wipe it down. It's been a long time since I did that, and so some dust had collected inside, which is not a big deal for some people, but I like to just every once in a while take everything out and clean it and just have everything nice and fresh. If you are new to my channel, I just want to thank you for visiting, and I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. I am a former teacher. I love to teach you guys how to do things. I am currently doing things in small steps as I am coming out of heart failure and healing from a virus that put me into heart failure. I'm learning to take small steps to reclaim my life and to get things back in order. So that's what I am doing, especially with these Tiny Tidy Tuesdays. So I'm showing you that even if you can do one cabinet a day or even one shelf a day or just whatever you can do, just do something simple every day and it will help and it will make things so much better. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate you all.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need.
You may notice that I do not put our bigger plates back in the cabinet, and that is because I put them all in the dishwasher because I was afraid that some of the glass from the wedding glass that I dropped got into those plates, so I just went ahead and washed all of them. Now I am moving on to a cabinet that houses my glasses and cups and that kind of thing. I did manage to get rid of some of these, and I just took everything out, wiped it down, and put it all back.
I fell in love with your colors. they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
The little black basket to keep things like koozies, lids for drinks, that kind of thing in there. And then at the very top, I put these little cups. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them or not. So if I have not used them in a while, then I will come back and I will get rid of those. And now I'm just putting my glasses back in. I like to store them upside down. We're all different. Some people like to put them right side up and some people like to put them upside down. Which way do you like to store your glasses?
There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring up that.
The last cabinet that I'm cleaning out houses our wedding china, mugs, Yeti cups, and some white square plates and bowls that I have. So I want to clean those out. A good storage tip that I use to store our wedding china is I put paper plates between the china to keep it from getting scratched. And with our nice teacups, I put coffee filters in between them, again, so they do not get broken or scratched. And I, again, took everything out. I had some tough decisions to make about the mugs because I do have way more mugs than I need. I did purge a few, but I am going to have to go back and look at those again. The white square plates and bowls I do not normally use, but I have them for my cooking videos because my food looks better on the white plates. The problem is lately I've been forgetting I have those white plates, and so I put them on my everyday plates. So now that I've cleaned this out, I'm going to remember it. So the next time you see a cooking video, I should be using the white plates or bowls. Also, I might want to add that I do not have a third hand. There is an extra hand that you can see sometimes in this particular viewpoint, and that is because I asked for some help to take out the rest of the things from the cabinets because I did not want another disaster like I had before with shattered glass everywhere. So sometimes it just helps to have somebody to help you, and it actually helped the job to go a lot faster. And I think that was one reason that I was able to get 3 cabinets cleaned out.
Cup after cup.
Yes, this cup said, "Crazy is the new normal." I saw that cup years ago in a little souvenir store when we were on vacation. It was one of those things I fell in love with and felt like I had to have for whatever reason, and I actually bought it, and I have never used it to this day, so I went ahead and parted with that one.
The way we do it, anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up.
Also, I am using the Mrs. Meyer multi-purpose cleaner to wipe down the inside of my cabinets.
Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. Yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
part with this cabinet was trying to figure out how I wanted to put the coffee mugs back inside. And I do have this little turntable that I used for, I think I fit maybe 5 of them on there. And then I had some extra ones. I stuck some up on one shelf and another on the other shelf. And then I put our Yeti cups in front because we use our Yeti cups more than we use anything else. We always have Yeti cups out every single day, as I'm sure a lot of us do. We use that more than our glasses or anything else these days. And so I just took some time to kind of try to figure out how to put everything back in. And like I said, on another day, I'm going to go and I'm going to make some wiser decisions about which mugs that I really want to part with. And then I will be completely done. Like ideally, I would like to have like maybe 6 mugs at the most.
There's something different about.
When I was cleaning out this cabinet, I did find 2 martini glasses. I'm not sure how they got there, so I did take those and I put them in the first and one of the glass cabinet that I cleaned out at first so that they would kind of all be right there together. And then I was done with this project. So here is just a sample of some of the things I parted with, some of the like thermos type things, a little plate, and a mug. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope it inspired you. I did manage to get rid of a few things. I still have some mugs that I need to go through because, to be honest, I am not a huge coffee drinker. No one in our home is really a huge coffee drinker, so there are probably more that I can get rid of. I just could not make up my mind when I was doing this particular declutter, but I'm going to go back and kind of go back through them again. As always, I am taking these. Is this part 4 or part 5? I think this is part 4. But when I get them all together, I only have a couple parts left. I will put it all together in one huge kitchen declutter clean with me. So I love doing these tiny tidies. Please check out Sunday Dawn's channel and check out the playlist as well. And thank you guys so much for cleaning along with me. And I hope I motivated and inspired you to do a little tiny tidy today as well. And if you did decide to do a tiny tidy, please let me know what your tiny tidy is today. Just a few tiny tidies each day or every other day can help so much and go so far in keeping a nice and tidy home. Thank you guys so much for your love, support. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Bye-bye.